Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of The News. We have a great episode today. Today we are talking about a potential Edge replacement. We are talking about a new Raptor R competitor that is also a Ford, and we are also talking about the 302 Saleen. We are just west of Airdrie, back in this beautiful coulee. I absolutely love it here. It's so beautiful. It is gorgeous out, and we are super excited to get this started. So without further ado, let's just get right into this. Starting things off, it looks like the Ford Everest has once again been spotted testing in Michigan, but this time in a convoy, so there were several of them. Could this be the highly anticipated replacement for the Edge? For those of you who don't know, the Edge has been discontinued past the 2024 model year, and it will be replaced with something else. With the amount that we've seen the Everest testing, we assume that it's going to be replaced with something like this. The Everest, from the looks of it, is basically just a Ranger that has been converted into an SUV. It's a very good looking vehicle, it's a very handsome vehicle, and I think it would be a shoo-in for a replacement. So let us know down in the comments what you think about the new Ford Everest taking this place of the Edge. Is the Edge a little bit more sporty? Is Ford really going to focus that much on this more off-road, body-on-frame type platform? Or do you think that we will see something else, something totally new? Let us know down in the comments what you think about that. Moving on, it looks like the company STEEDA, the tuning company STEEDA, has come up with an alternative to the Raptor R that is a little bit cheaper. So with this new Tremor Edition, the STEEDA Tremor Edition, you get composite fender flares with integrated LED side markers, Amp Research Power Step XL running boards, Nito Ridge Grappler off-road tires, customizable 28-inch LED chase lights, various other options such as cold weather package, dune package, and a power tank inflator system. But what you also get is a Whipple supercharger, which will up your Tremor F150 to 800 horsepower, which is well above what the Raptor R is. Obviously, all of this comes down to a price of 37,000 American dollars. So you give them a Tremor and $37,000 and they will do this to it. So definitely a competitor. Obviously, you don't get the prestige of owning a Raptor. However, 800 horsepower, can't complain about that. So let us know down in the comments what you think about STEEDA giving us some options. That's one thing that Ford has definitely come up with recently, is that, or I guess Ford supporters have come out with recently, is that there are tons of aftermarket options from tons of really reputable tuning companies and coach builders to really make that Ford your own. Speaking of which, and moving on, we run into the new Saleen 302 S650 Mustang. As you can see, it has had an extensive rework. Saleen is known for taking Mustangs and kind of raising them into the upper echelons of the automotive world. You have three options. You have the white package, the yellow package, or the black package. Now, all of them have upped horsepower, but they range. So the white package gives you 510 horsepower, the yellow package gives you 745 horsepower, and the black package gets you 800 horsepower. Along with these power upgrades, you also get a suite of cosmetics. It does look like a completely different Mustang, but that's not a bad thing. It looks like it's a little bit wider. It looks like it's a little bit beefier. The wing on the back is beautiful. I absolutely love that wing. And the wheels. Saleen also is a coach builder, so they give you a certificate and a number of how many. They're obviously only making a certain amount of these, so they will give you a numbered vehicle now and all the certificates to go along with that. And it's absolutely beautiful. So like I was just mentioning back with this STEEDA, there are tons of aftermarket options when it comes to Fords, when it comes to F-150s, when it comes to Mustangs, when it comes to any vehicle that you can imagine. Somebody is making accessories for it because they know that Ford is one of the biggest manufacturers in the world. So you can really customize your vehicle to be exactly how you want it to be. And that's very exciting. Even Ford has a lot of really cool options when it comes down to what you can do with the vehicle. So let us know down in the comments what you think about the STEEDA Tremor Edition. Let us know what you think about the new Saleen 302 Mustang. And obviously let us know what you think about that Ford Everest. I'm really excited to see what people think. I'm really excited to see what Ford does, whether they use the Everest or they create and unveil an entirely brand new model. With the announcement of pushing back EV development and focusing on hybrids, we might be able to see something completely new with a gas engine paired with a battery, and that's just super exciting. So let us know down in the comments what you think about that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.